In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Prado.
Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Before installing, we need to prepare the tools: the jack stand, wheel spacers, stand paper, towel, torque wrench, cross spanner, and brake cleaner. Using a cross spanner to loosen the lug nut on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Using a cross spanner to remove a lug nut on the front wheel side. Remove the wheel off the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub assembly with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of the surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Prado wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a cross spanner to tighten the lug nut to the specific lock. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and front, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommended checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.